Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get an image onto a wood photo panel, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson dye sublimation technology. In order to get your printed image onto a wood panel, here's what you need. An Epson 24-inch F570 dye sublimation printer, a pair of heat gloves, some scissors, heat transfer tape, a wood sublimation blank, a heat press 20 by 25 or larger, and some craft paper. Once you have the finished design for your wood photo panel, this is how to send it to the F570 printer. For Windows users, click the print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Choose Properties. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set on the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Click Printer. Choose Printer Settings. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's cut our paper down to size. And now we're ready to attach our wood photo panel onto the print. Before we do that, we're going to peel away the plastic. Now that we've removed the plastic, we're ready to set our photo panel in place. We'll line it up and center it above our print, and grab a couple of strips of heat transfer tape, attach our panel in place, and we're ready for the next step. Before we place our wood panel onto the heat press, let's set a piece of craft paper down first. Now we'll take our wood piece and we're going to flip it so the paper is on top. We'll set another piece of craft paper on top of that, and now we're ready to press it. We're at medium to firm pressure for 400 degrees for about 90 seconds. And when the timer is done, it will alert us. When the press is done, we're going to lift it up slowly. Now the wood panel is going to be very hot, so we're going to wear our heat gloves to remove it. Let's remove our craft paper, and let's carefully remove our wood panel from the heat press. So now we just need to remove our heat transfer tape. And we're done.